Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Searching for Behind the Scenes. Well, today what I did is went to Lowe's. I got some half-inch PVC pipe, and now I'm making another transducer handle. This time what I did is I took that form metal, and I went ahead and zipped it down the middle, and I conformed it to the PVC and put a bolt through it. Now I can attach that other transducer on here. The other one was kind of crappy. Now I'll go ahead and cut it to the length I want, so it doesn't get caught up in my new box arrangements that you saw. That'll be a permanent there. The next thing I did was, here's my underwater camera. See, when you put it down, it's on a tether, and it goes just like that on its tether, and then you drop it down. Now there's no way to control it. The current's going to turn it around in the direction that it wants to be turned around. So I said, well, nope, since I'm working with PVC, I went ahead and I got two 10-foot PVC pipes, and I used that form metal again. So now I can put another one in here, and I'm going to use pins. They're permanently on this one, but I'm going to put pins so I can put the next one in, pin it, and now I've got, this is 10 feet. Now I'm 20 feet deep. Then I can do another one right on down as deep as I want. And then on the end of this one, I formed a adapter for the fish finder camera. So what that does is that's sitting right on here, just like so, and I'm putting a pin through it, right? I cut it at like a degree angle, so when the camera's going down, it's going down kind of at an angle, down towards the bottom instead of straight across, because that's what you're going to get. You're going to get a straight across view instead of a downward view. So with that, that's also going to have a pin, so I can take it right off of here. This piece here will be on here permanently, and it's perfect, just like so. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Behind the Scenes of Searching For. Today, I'm modifying my transducer mounting system here, and what I've done is I've gone from the steel tubing to 3/4 PVC, and I'm getting rid of this mess right here. This will now, taking it off of here, and this will now mount on the bottom of this. As you can see, I did a nice setup here. Now what I want to do is I want to make it so I can just pull this back, get it out of the water, and then when we're done, we'll slide it back in here. But I want to be able to get it so it's perfect, so it'll clear here when I pull it up, and then I just drop it down, and it's where I want it in the water. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cut it so I got it at the length I need it. Here it's still longer, so I want to modify another one. I can do that. So, but there we go. Oh, shoot.
do that. Okay. Right, that's perfect. Right. Beautiful. Hold up in. So low. Okay. And you're about 2 inches below the bolt. All right. Still not quite. There. Right there. Yeah. I can pull it up without having to mess with the top. I'm going to drill a hole real quick into that so I know it locks in. Alright. It drops down under the boat. Let me see. Right. Beautiful. I want. Yeah, back up. I can't get the cap. Can't get that cap off. Okay, so you put a cap on it. So I'm going to do. Actually, I gotta get that cap off of there. And go from there. All right. That's set. And then I got to get the bolts out of that one. All right, a quick modification I did to this one. Unfortunately, I thought I was going to drill holes through it to make it make this so that pin will go in there, but that's not going to be the case because there's this plastic thing right here, and I don't want to drill through the hole because if I do, I'm probably going to screw up the threads. So but I did get this measured the way I want it. I'm putting an elbow on here, and then I'm putting a little handle on here. So all I got to do is just lower it down. I'll know right where, I'll know because this is in the same direction as the transducer. I'll know exactly where it's facing, and I'll be able to turn it and make sure it's straight. I'm done with it. I can just slide it up and slide it in, and it's not. And that's going to be enough resistance. It's just not going to let the transducer flop around. What I got to do is I got to get some PVC glue and glue that. Get back over here, getting this one set up. Alright, beautiful. Now, slide this puppy right up here. Oh, I gotta get the cap off because it's just a little bit too fat. Alright, I need to get that cap off of it anyway because I want to put it on top. Get this off of here. Go in here. I had to notch this out just a little bit. A little bit of time. These bolts are a little longer than I want them to be, but I'm not going to spend time cutting them off. Don't want to need to do. Come on. Let's get this on. Something has to be automotive tight. As soon as I get man, I gotta get another elbow for this. Put a handle on it. Nope. It would with a 1 inch. Yep, it would with a 1 inch. But I won't go through that. Backwards going this way. Nice thought, but no go. Alright. Alright. Go there. There we go. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to paint it. Oh! Paint the boat. Don't paint the boat. Alright, I'll get some white stuff. White paint that with. I think that takes care of that. And that's gone. And that just went from this to that. Next scenario, we need to get I gotta get the underwater camera squared away here. I'll be able to make that thing so plug right into here. I can hold it down. Definitely got to make it so I can hold on to it, and probably have so I can drop it in 5 foot increments. It takes care of the transducer installation on this one here. I wanted to modify it, make sure it's right, and make it so I can fold everything up, make everything so it's set when I drop it in the water. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next Searching For.